Exercise 4.3 problem 4 solution. Find the values of x and y if 1, 2, the matrix 1, 2, 3, 3 into matrix x, 0, 0, y equal to x, 0, 9, 0. So they have given equation indirectly using matrices. So what we need to do is that this matrices you have to multiply. You will get a resultant matrix equate. You will have that is equated to this matrix, and whenever two matrices are equal, their corresponding elements are equal. So equate the corresponding elements and you will get an equation in x and y. Solve it, you will be able to get the values of x and y. Okay, so let's do that. What's the first step? Is to do the matrix multiplication. Is it defined? Anyway, it's given here as an equation, but let's do a quick check. How many rows are there? Sorry, how many columns? First column, second column. How many rows are there? First row, second row. The number of columns of this matrix equal to the number of rows. So that is defined. And what will be the resultant? The resultant will be this 2 by 2, right? You have to do a quick check mentally. This is 2 by 2 and this is also 2 by 2, right? And we know, pardon me for this because this is very difficult right here. So this is equal, so matrix multiplication is defined and the resultant matrix will be 2 by 2, which is this 2 by 2 here. So it is, everything is right. Now let's do the matrix multiplication. So first row into first column. So 1 into x is x, 2 into 0 is 0. So that will come in the first row, first column position. So if you're not sure, again you can write it. 1, this is first row, this is second row, this is first column, this is second column. So you are multiplying first row with first column. So first row with first column. So it will come in this position, right? So 1x plus 2 into 0 is 0. So first row into second column. So 1 into 0 is 0, 2 into y is 2y. So that will come first row, second column. So it will come here, right? Then second row, first column. So 3x and 3 into 0 is 0. So it will come 3x plus 0, and where it will come? Second row and first column. So second row and first column. So it will come here, right? Then the next one is second row and second column. So 3 into 0 is 0. 3 into y is 3y, right? So that will come second row, second column. So it will come here. So now you simplify this matrix. You will get 1x, this is x, and this is 2y, and this is 3x, right? And this is, sorry, 3x plus 0 is 3x, and this is 3y. And on the right side, you have x, 0, 9y. So now these two things are, matrices are equal, which means their corresponding elements are equal. So x equal to x, which is true. 2y equal to 0, which means y equal to 0. 3x equal to 9, which means x equal to 3. So equating the corresponding elements, equate this with this. Okay. 3x is 9. So x is equal to 9 by 3. So x equal to 3. And 3y equal to 0, which means y equal to 0. Thus the values of x and y are 3 and 0. Okay. So first, I'm sure the matrix multiplication will be defined, but get into the habit. It's just 1.5 to few seconds. Check whether the matrix multiplication is defined and check what is the resultant order of the matrix and see whether it's all equal. Then you proceed. So you have to do the matrix multiplication, and as I told you previously, if you are not sure, put the number of rows here and the number of columns and multiply the matrices and put the elements, resulting answers in the corresponding elements. Simplify it, equate these two matrices. As the matrices are equal, their corresponding elements are equal. So in this case, 2y will be equal to 0 or 3y will be equal to 0. You can take either one. In both the cases, y will be equal to 0 and 3x will be equal to 9. There is no point equating this and this because x is equal to x is true, but it is not going to get you the value of x. So we'll have to equate 3x equal to 9, from which you can get the value of x. Okay. So this is how this problem needs to be worked out. Thanks for watching this video.